Good morning, members of the spreadsheet community. Good afternoon and good evening to you all. Today we'll be looking at something that is quite exciting, not yet documented on the internet or Google, and I thought maybe it was so prudent, so right that we document it. Our research department took a bit of some time coming up with this code, a bit of some guesswork. That is what gave us this particular code that I'll be showing you. I know you're familiar with masking numbers. Like for example, I can write 4,500. This is the original number. Then I can easily mask it like this and show, say, 5,750. And yet it's original. Now, number that's sitting in this particular cell, that cell C3 is 45,000, but I can still trick someone and show the number that they want to see. As I always tell people that when you receive these spreadsheets, please convert the format to the default settings of that particular spreadsheet. I can still change this number, sorry, and write something like Coach Kada. It will look like it's text, and yet it's not text. There are numbers here. It's 45,000. So let's say is text. It's gonna say, no, I'm not text, sir. I'm a number. But we can do this. If I do that, we can't do this to, sorry, we can't use this text. There, right? I want to mask it to something else to be extremely difficult. It will now just show Fitzpatrick John. So if I try to remove this, I would even make a very big mistake. So I come there and say, I'm removing this part. Then do this and write John. Nothing is going to show up. So how do you mask text? So this is the code that you're going to use to mask. Then you type whatever you want to type in here, whatever text you have. So I'll get in there and do like this. Delete. The first thing I'll do, I'll need to hide what is in that particular cell. By hiding, I'll use 3 codes, which are semicolon, 3 semicolon like this. So it's gone. Then now I can write whatever I want to write. I can write, for example, Donald Trump, and do like this. So if someone comes in here and wants to write Richard to show Donald Trump, I say Obama just to show Donald Trump. The question is, in which circumstances would you actually use this technique? There are a number of ways, especially for those that are in the finance industry, those that are finance specialists, analysts, accountants. There are times when you have your report line, that has different descriptions from what you want to see on a specific line in your financials. For example, in your financials, you want to show total operating expenses, but what is sitting in your trial balance and part of your report line is operating expenses. You can change one of those cells that you want to be seen or visible as total operating expenses, and yet when you're actually pulling this data, maybe using lookups, using some ifs and whatever, it is actually seeing operating expenses. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.